Now if you're getting a read disk error like this one, unplug any kind of USB cable or USB drive from your PS4, reset the PS4, and see if the game plays after you reset the PS4 while this is unplugged. Now if the game ever gets stuck in your system, there's 3 ways to remove the disk in your PS4. One way is to hold down the eject button for about 10 seconds and it'll force eject it out. On some PS4 models, you can actually take off the cover and then unscrew the DVD screw, and it'll slowly eject the game that way as well. Or you're going to have to open up the PS4 and manually take it out by removing the cover on the Blu-ray drive. It slides this way and it comes right out, and then you can take your game out that way. Now if it reads your CDs, let's say you put a CD in and it reads your CDs or some of your old DVD movies and it's not playing your games, that could be software related. So by doing a software reset on the PS4 or system restore on the PS4, that can fix your read disk errors. But if it's not reading any format, CDs, DVD movies, or Blu-ray games, then it's most likely it's going to be your Blu-ray drive is defective. Now before you replace your Blu-ray drive, what you need to do is replace your logic board from your old Blu-ray drive to the new Blu-ray drive. And the reason why you have to do that is because your old Blu-ray drive board is married to the system board, the motherboard on the PS4. So if you just go ahead and put your PS4 Blu-ray drive, the new one, in your system, it's not going to work. You're going to get a read disk error. So if you put in a Blu-ray game in and it's not playing your Blu-ray game or CDs or DVDs, and your PS4 is out of the 1-year warranty, then proceed, fixing your PS4, watching this video. However, if your PS4 is in 1-year warranty, call PS4 and mail it out to them, and within 2 weeks you'll get it back free of charge. Alright, so if your PS4 is at a 1-year warranty, you can remove the stickers right here, and you could use a micro flathead screwdriver. That works. But in this case, I'm going to be using the correct tool, which is it's called a T8 bit, and it looks like that, kind of like a star shape almost. I don't know if you can see that or not. And it comes with the optic drive that I bought. So, yeah. And it comes with the tools, which is really cool. Alright, so let's go ahead and take this off. So I already removed the stickers. I got a magnet right here. I'm going to put all my screws on that. One, 2, 3, and then 4 under here. With this latch, you want to push it this way and then pull on the black tab. And then underneath that ribbon cable connection, there's the screw right there. So I got my T8 screwdriver, and I want to rub it real quick on my magnet rock. And then now it becomes magnetized, just like that. So that's how you get your screwdrivers magnetized. Alright, so what's good about this is I got it quick because I used my Amazon Prime, and it comes with the tool to take apart your PS4, and it comes with the brand new Blu-ray drive for your PS4 with the warranty. So this metal tab, you want to slide it in, and then be cautious of this metal tab too. It has to slide in perfect. So that's gonna slide in right there, and then the other tab is gonna slide in behind here. There was 1, 2, and then the third screw was right here, and you just take this off. And what we're going to do is replace this board on the old drive and put it to the new drive, because this old board on the old drive is actually married to and communicates with the motherboard on the PS4. And all you have to do is lift up these latches right here, and they just slide right out. And there's also a screw right there. Let's put that on first. And this is the old board. Flip it. Just take your time. Alright, we're going to put it in a game and test it out. And the game is not scratched, so it should work fine. Let's go ahead and put it in. Just like that. And see if it works. I hear it working. There it is. Recognized it. Give me a big thumbs up. And remember, if the ribbon cable connections don't match, then you have the wrong board. The 010 board on the old drive has to match the 010 on the new Blu-ray board. Then you can swap them. Or if you have a 020 board and your old drive was a 020, then you can swap those two. That's fine. But you'll know if the ribbon cable connections don't match up and they don't fit.